Use your kitchen drawers more effectively in the kitchen. Join me. Let's make the most out of your kitchen drawer usage. First, remove the items from your drawers and group them together. Each group is then going to get its specific drawer. So let me share with you the types of groups that I have for my drawers. Sharps. I have a drawer for nothing but knives and graters and ulus and anything that I have that I use for cooking that is sharp. I don't like to reach my hand into my silverware drawer and have to worry about getting cut with a knife. So all of my sharps go into one drawer. Paper and plastic. I have a drawer that is designated just to wax paper, parchment paper, plastic bags, paper bags, aluminum foil, those types of things. So that way having all of those items in one place just makes for super easy access and it's efficient in the kitchen. Measuring stuff. Anything that we have that measures something, from glass bowls with measuring on them to the little cups that we use. All of this needs to go in its own drawer. Now, sometimes you might have to put these things in a cabinet, and if you're running out of space at this point, I suggest getting those little adhesive hooks from Walmart and putting them on the inside of your cabinet door and hanging your measuring cups and your measuring spoons on those. Large utensils. Wooden spoons, large scoopers, tongs, anything that doesn't fit in your knife, spoon, fork drawer, your utensil drawer needs to have its own space. These large utensils are something that we use a lot during cooking, so I would try to put the drawer with those utensils closest to your stove if possible. Miscellaneous items. Now, that doesn't mean that you just go and throw everything else that you use in this drawer, because by now we should have already purged our kitchen of the items that we don't use. This miscellaneous drawer needs to include your pizza cutter, your peelers, your chopsticks, your wine bottle corks, all of the items that you use. However, they don't see the light of day very often, but they're essential in your kitchen. To organize these drawers, go to the dollar store or Walmart and get yourself a silverware holder. The dollar store is where I go for a lot of these things. What I do is I'll take these silverware holders, and I have large drawers, so normally I will put two next to each other, and then I can use those to store the items that I'm trying to organize, such as chopsticks and pizza cutters. I also, for my large items and my large utensils, instead of using the silverware holders, I will use large flat bins. I also get those from Walmart or the dollar store. Just something large enough that I can put my spoons in a section, my wooden stuff in a section, my turners in a section, etc., etc. I would like to thank you for coming today. Please don't forget to check back tomorrow for more organization and cleaning tips. Welcome to DIY Your Life. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell next to it so you never miss an organizational or cleaning video. Share this video on your social media with all your friends and family, and please click the thumbs up button below. Thanks!